coming out of your skin. You got tears making tracks.
I'm so sorry.
We were stupid. Sneaking around thinking that we weren't going to get caught. We did this. Steph and Jenna's in the hospital. And Jeremy could be next. All because we didn't listen to her. Because we're together. Stefan.
I know what you're going to say to me.
Then let me say it. I've been so selfish because I love you so much. And I know how much you love me. But it's over. Stefan, it has to be.